For us components, it's absolutely key to be part of this IoT journey, because this is the engineers of today and the engineers of tomorrow. The hackathon event, that's a 24-hour game where they need to do rapid prototyping. So that means get the right products in at the right time, as fast, as quick, whatever it takes for these guys at the hackathon to deliver a very fast solution.
The topics for this hackathon is about the UN's world goals for climate. It's about clean water, healthcare, it's about using known IoT topics.
So we have created a project about farming crickets. So crickets is a new thing that a lot of people might not eat right now, but hopefully they will in the future. So we're trying to use a lot of IoT devices, and then we can create an environment which is really nice for crickets, and thereby it'll be a lot cheaper, and we will be able to produce a lot more crickets. We plan to win this. There's no reason to participate in an event like this if you don't try on winning. So we have been fighting all night. We went to bed like 2 o'clock, while here 8 in the morning. So of course we want to win this, and we're still going to fight the last few hours we have left.